Fridays when I'm not with you, babe. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional is enough. I'm on. Your love is keeping me warm. Your mind is something deep. Your mind is something that's bringing you stuff. At the end of the day, this is true.
Oh my God.
I don't recognize it. All I can see is shades of you.
Oh my God.
Hi guys, hi. I'm so excited, you guys. So I got a delivery today. I ordered these slippers and it finally came. I already opened it because I couldn't wait to see it, and it's so pretty, guys, like so pretty. I ordered this in red because every time I buy black slippers and I really don't have other colors of slippers. Okay, I have like white and I have brown, but then I wanted like a different color entirely, so I ordered this. The color just makes it more beautiful, really it does. So yes, I got this, and a friend gifted me this as a birthday gift. This is actually very beautiful. A Puma sneakers. What? And I love this design by the side. Like, it's just, I don't know, it's just really nice. But yeah, this is it. I don't know if I'm going to use this for the gym, or because of how colorful it is, I feel like I can't really rock it out. But I don't know. When I put it on, I'm going to decide if I'm going to use this for the gym or if I'm going to wear it out. But it's actually very nice and I love it. I'm so exhausted, so I'm just going to clean up a bit and then I'll go to bed. So guys, bye.
I wake up, I see you as you leave. I feel it, I see it as you leave. When we kiss, I want deep, but you're far.
Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart. All I felt was bliss, but you were never there, you were never there. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear Cause I don't wanna behave like the one to flee, like the one to leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me?
Whew. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Wofai and you're watching Shades of Wofai. Please don't forget to subscribe, check out my other videos, turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and do all the good stuff. So today is Tuesday, right? Yeah, today is Tuesday and I just got back from the gym, right? I just got back from the gym and I'm tired. So I had a great time at gym actually until the gym became so full. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I'm very sure I'm not the only one that has issues with the gym being full. If you go to the gym and you also have this problem, please leave a comment so I know I'm not the only one, because I actually hate when the gym is full. Like, you don't have enough space to do the things you want to do because somebody else is getting in the way and all of that. But yeah, I'm home. I need to clean up, take a shower and get something to eat. I want to have fruit salad, so I'll just do that. Face is acting up.
There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear follow you no matter where.
Hi guys, it's today is Thursday. Good morning. I just woke up from sleep and I need to get ready for work. There's a mosquito in my room. I think I'll have to spray. Okay, yeah, I think I'll have to spray my room because I can see mosquitoes. But yeah, that's by the way. So I couldn't talk to you guys yesterday. I didn't go to the gym because I had a headache from work. I had a stressful day, so I thought I should just come home and rest instead of stressing myself and going to the gym and all of that. So I came home really early yesterday and I just boiled beans. I was supposed to boil beans over the previous weekend, but I didn't have the time to, and then my fridge was very full. There was no space to put it. So I felt when I clear out the leftovers I have in my fridge, then I'll be able to boil beans. So yesterday, since I came back early, I just thought might as well just wait. So I boiled beans yesterday and I slept off really early, so I couldn't say anything to you guys. But today, getting ready for work, there's no lights. I don't know. I was awake at 4. I don't know, because I slept early. Okay, it's better here. But yeah, so this is the beans I bought yesterday. I'm going to put this in the freezer, and then I have this one. I want to make beans and rice mixed together, so I'm going to use this one to do it. Yeah, that's it. It's already a few minutes past 7, so I need to hurry so I can be done in time, take a shower and go to work. The weather looks a bit dull today and I love it really, because I don't like when it's sunny and I get to sweat a lot. But yeah, bye guys. I look a mess. Today is Saturday. It's been a long ass day. I went to play volleyball and then I had to do a little bit of cleaning up. I decluttered my wardrobe a bit and it's currently past 4. I'm just about to have my first meal for the day. I'm really tired. I had plans to do a lot of things today and I've been able to achieve just 3 out of 5, but it's something. I might film a video today. I don't know. After eating I might just sleep up because I'm really tired, like really tired, and I've been having this constant headache for a while now. I think I need to treat malaria. I've just been reluctant to do that because it's been a while I treated. What else? I'm supposed to go and do my nails, but I'm too lazy to go out, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. But I think that's pretty much everything. I just thought to check in on you guys because if I don't do so now, I might not do so the whole of today, and I'm supposed to check in since today is Saturday and I haven't spoken to you guys in a while. Can't remember last time I even came on here at all, which is very bad of me, but this is me making up for it and showing up today regardless of how messy I look and how stressed I am. But yeah, so I'm about to eat. I just went with something very easy to make. So this is what I'm having. Oops. I'm having pancakes, sausage, and a glass of drink. Some drink, you can't guess. But yeah, that's it. So I'll just eat, see a movie, and sleep because I need to rest. Actually, when I wake up, then I might film. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's that. Bye. Hi guys, today is Sunday and I just got dressed to go to church. I'm running late already. I woke up a bit late and then I was lazing around. But this is my fit for church today. I'm wearing, excuse the mess behind me. I was trying to figure out what to wear. So I'm wearing a jean trouser. If you guys can see me, bring it down a bit. Okay, I'm wearing a jean trouser, this white singlet, and a black blazer. This is what I look like. And I'm wearing it with these black sandals. And I'll be pairing it with my brown bag, something to make the fit bright a bit. So this is the outfit for the day. Alright guys, let me hurry out now because I'm running late. I'll talk to you guys when I get back. Okay, bye. Guys, my Sunday jollof is ready. This actually tastes way better than it looks.
Days when I'm not with you, babe. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional prisoner, I'm the one. Your love is something I want. Your money is something to feel. Your money is something that's bringing you stuff. At the end of the day, this is true. Now me and you go there as the song go on. Now me and you go there till the sun come up. Anytime she control me, she dey tell me baby boy just put your phone in it. Hot fuck every day you dey control me. Then you want it every day we make it move with us. My baby take me, with me, every day with me, with me. Baby they with me, they with me. My baby they don't blame me, don't blame me. My baby know they give me nada. They love you when you give me nada. Say if I do that you know they give me nada. They love you when you give me nada. Say that true love. Night days when I'm not with you, babe. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional prisoner, I'm the one. Your love is something I want. Your money is something to feel. Your money is something that's really your stuff. At the end of the day, this is true.
Hi guys. Can't remember last time I was awake this early. It's currently like 5:30. Really early. I don't feel like I've had enough sleep, but I have to be awake. My grandma is around. I went to pick her yesterday, so she's currently at my place and I'm taking her for her visa interview today. it's by 7:30. That's why I had to be up early so you can get there early. I'm currently trying to straighten my wig. That I look like a human being. My eyes look a bit puffy. But yeah, that's the update. Yesterday I couldn't update you guys because I was all over the place driving around Abuja, trying to pick my grandma, took her to my auntie's house, then brought my auntie and her whole family over to my house so they can know my place, and then had to go and drop them afterwards. Just driving from one end of Abuja to another end and all of that. I'm so tired. So tired. But yeah, that's the update, guys. I thought to update you guys because I don't know when I'll be able to update you guys again. So yeah, that's the update. I'll see you guys when I step out. Okay, bye. I just got home and this is exactly 7 o'clock. I'm so tired. Like my weekend has been crazy. I didn't rest on Saturday. I went out on Sunday evening. I got back like around 2 a.m 3 a.m or thereabouts. Then I went to play volleyball on Monday morning. I was awake by like 6. I went to play volleyball. I came back. And then my grandma came into town on Sunday. She had a visa interview today, so she was at my cousin's place, my big cousin's place. So I went there yesterday to pick her, and then I took her to my auntie's place. That's one of her daughters. I took her to my auntie's place, and then I brought all of them to my house. So my auntie and her family too can know my house because they've never been to my house before. And then my grandma too, like I wanted her to sleep over here since I was going to escort her to the embassy today. I didn't want to have to go over there and all of that. So, and then when my auntie and my cousins when they wanted to leave, I had to like drop them halfway, then order the ride for them to go. And then today I woke up by like 5:30 because her interview was for 7:30, so I had to wake up very early. And then we got there, the whole stress. I had to wait for her outside, and it took a while. Then after she was done, we had to go all the way to Buhari. I was going to Buhari for the first time. I went to Buhari for the first time. So we had to go all the way to Buhari so she can see her in-laws. That's my uncle's wife's friends. Yeah. So she went all the way to see them, and then we spent some time there and all of that. And then we now came back home. Immediately we came home, I just like carried her bags. Then I took her back to my cousin's place because she's going to go back to Calabar from there. And then I'll be going to work tomorrow, so she can't stay here since I won't be around and all of that. So, and then I just had to like I just went to the salon to do my nails at once because I know if I get home I won't be able to step out again. I won't be able to step out again. So wow, I had plans to film like 3 or 4 videos this weekend because it was a long weekend, but I didn't film even one. I didn't even film half. Like I have a headache. I just want to take a shower, eat, and try to sleep early because I'm exhausted and I don't want to break down really. But yeah, that aside, so I did my nails. Usually I'll just do red, but I thought to like spice it up a bit, and I did like white tips to it. I like it. It's cute. Something very simple. So yeah, I did my nails, and then I got like a skincare product. So I got something from Tulip. my face has been acting up a lot. I've been breaking out, and then I don't know, my face has been getting really dark. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's my hormones messing with me or whatever the problem is. I really don't know. So I got this. I read really nice reviews about this product online, so I thought to try the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Face Serum. It contains hyaluronic acid. Contains hyaluronic acid. So this is it. So I'm going to try it, and I hope it works for me. But yeah, this is it. Then I got a couple of things from my cousin's house. I got tomatoes, and then I got rice, and my mom sent me food stuff through my grandma. Yeah, and I'm so excited about that. What else? That's all. I have to go to work tomorrow, and honestly I'm stressed and tired because I know I still have like a lot of work waiting for me to do when I get to the office. But we move adulting, the part nobody tells you about. So I'm just going to go ahead and settle in. I just thought to fill you guys on all the shit I've been going through. But I was happy to see my grandma. I've not seen her in like a year plus, so I was glad to see her. And she was happy to see me too, because why not? All right, I'll talk to you guys whenever I talk to you guys, okay? Yeah. Peace.